So, hello guys, welcome back to another video, the English speaking practice. And today is day, I don't know what is today day, but we are here for improving English language via different topics. Like today's topic is randomly speak on the spot. Like she suggests me some topic like randomly, and then I speak some spontaneously, right? Spontaneously,
Speaking in
continuously. Yeah.
chain, I would tell you a few words from your own sentences. You have to make next sentence with that same word that I will tell you. Yeah, so it's like I'll give him first word, he would make a sentence. After that, from his own sentence, I'll tell him one more word like this. He has to speak in chain. And I think if you are a follower of this YouTube channel for so long, you already know that we have already done this practice earlier. So it's just to enhance speaking spontaneously. Like if you get any word randomly and spontaneously, if you can think of something related to that word. Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes.
Okay, the first word for you is smartphone.
Smartphone. Okay, I'm using smartphone and I am recording my this video from smartphone
Video.
video. There are some beginners and strangers. They watching my video for improve their English and communication.
For improving their English and communication. Okay. Strangers.
Strangers. Mostly, I consider strangers is like a knowledge. They consider like a knowledgeable person, and when we connect with another person, then we mostly consider as a stranger. Like in my point of view.
It means you get curiosity to know more about them.
Yeah.
Knowledge.
In today's world, if you have a good knowledge in your particular any skill, then you have a good command on your future. You become a good communicator. You build your good business in today's world.
Business.
I love to creating new business, and I love to make a big business in my future.
Future.
I am very passionate about I am very passionate to learn this language, and I am very passionate to improve my communication skills. So that's why I will secure my business in upcoming in my future.
Communication.
Communication is a part of life where we can connect with another person like very uh, impactful way, and that time we connect with another person like I think that is communication.
Make good connection.
Make good connections, network, and
put across your thoughts clearly.
Yeah.
For that purpose, we use communication plays a vital role. Okay, connect.
Every day I connect 2-3 call learners and beginners to improve my communication skill and to improve my speaking skill.
Okay, every day.
Whenever I speak about my daily routine, then mostly I use every day.
Okay, whenever.
Whenever I go to visit any place, visit any place in future, that time I will make a vlog to for my audience in English language.
Vlog.
Mostly I love to watch English vlog.
Okay. Watch.
I watch 2-3 native speaker in present for improve my communication skill. Improvement is more important. If you have a good command on knowledge, if you have good command on practice, then you definitely improve your any skill, any business. Skill are a part of life. If you really want to grow in today's world, then skill matter a lot. rather than job.
Job.
I don't like job.
Okay.
Like, please hit the like button, because if you hit the like button, then I feel very confident and motivation. And I will try to make another video like random topics related to English improvement.
Motivation.
Motivation is a pills, but if you really want to improve anything, then focus on consistency rather than motivation.
Consistency.
Similar word, consistency. You already talked on consistency.
No.
Okay. Consistency is a part of journey. Via consistency, we definitely achieve anything.
Achieve.
I achieve my this fluency in just past 6 to 7 months.
6 to 7 months.
Months.
I.
I love to reading English books.
Books.
Books are really very helpful for me. If books helpful for me, then definitely books really helpful for you. And if you are a beginner and want to start this journey, then you definitely start from storybooks.
Journey.
I'm enjoying this journey because I improve a lot of things. And when we improve a lot of things, then we feel like more energetic and confident. And that time we improve our courage.
Energetic.
Every morning I feel more energetic whenever I start my day.
Morning.
Every morning do exercise, because exercise is more important for our body, for our health. So that's why you must do this exercise. Exercise. Please make sentence on exercise. Okay, exercise is more important for our physical health or mental health, and you definitely follow exercise, like improve our body and mental health. I think the power disconnected my connection.
We can then conclude here. It's not disconnected yet, but it's just blinking to tell you that warning that okay, it is, you have to put it on charging, so you can end now.
Okay, we will see in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep growing every day.